So, the iQOO 15 is finally gearing up for its big debut, first in China on October 20th, and then soon after in India. This has now been officially confirmed by iQOO India CEO Nipun Marya, who revealed that the Indian launch will take place sometime in November. While the exact date is still under wraps, we can expect that announcement in the coming weeks. What's even more exciting is that the Indian version will carry almost the same high-end specs as the Chinese model, with only minor differences like storage options or battery capacity. According to the official teasers and leaks, the iQOO 15 is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse. It's confirmed to run on Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, paired with Android 16-based Origin OS 6, right out of the box. This means users can expect cutting-edge performance, better efficiency, and an even smoother user experience than before. Gaming fans are in for a treat too. The Chinese variant is set to include an upgraded Q3 gaming chip, capable of delivering 144 FPS gameplay at 2K resolution, a serious step up in the mobile gaming world. To handle that kind of performance, iQOO has gone all in on its cooling technology. The iQOO 15 will feature a massive 8K vapor chamber dome cooling system that uses a double layer of high-conductivity graphite. This setup reportedly improves cooling efficiency by a massive 47% compared to the previous generation. In fact, iQOO claims the VC heatsink inside the iQOO 15 is 3 times larger than the one in the iPhone 17 Pro Max, an impressive flex aimed squarely at Apple's latest flagship. The display department is equally stunning. The iQOO 15 will sport a 6.85-inch 2K 8T LTPO Samsung Everest panel with a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate and a mind-blowing 6,000 nits of peak local brightness. This means brighter, crisper visuals even under harsh sunlight and ultra-fluid motion for both gaming and daily use. Battery life won't be an issue either. The device is confirmed to pack a massive 7,000 mAh+ battery with wireless charging support. Combined with iQOO's traditionally fast wired charging, this should easily make it one of the longest-lasting flagships of the year. On top of that, it's rated IP69 for dust and water resistance, which is even tougher than most premium smartphones. And for security, it includes a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, offering faster and more accurate recognition than traditional optical sensors. In short, the iQOO 15 looks ready to shake up the flagship market with next-gen performance, insane display quality, and serious gaming hardware. With its India launch now just weeks away, this could easily become one of the most talked-about Android flagships of 2025. So what do you guys think about the upcoming iQOO 15? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.